obligation-free quote, visit completeblinds.net.au. 40km/h school zones are now in force. This message for Flower Power. For Sydney's best range of homegrown plants, visit a Flower Power garden centre today.
Hey mate, have you seen the Sportsbet app now has Sky Racing?
Really?
Yep, live racing from all around Australia right there on your phone.
Oh, I'm liking this.
Yeah, just one tap and you're streaming from Randwick, Caulfield, Ascot, Dapto Dogs.
Righto, mate, I get it. What are you, the Sportsbet guy now or something?
I actually do a pretty good impression.
This is new. Sky Racing, now available on the Sportsbet app.
Bloody hell, that's pretty good.
I told you.
Conditions apply, gamble responsibly.
23 past 3, back to your calls, texts and emails very, very shortly. You can have your say on the Premier and her future. Before that, great deals on HP computers at